Welcome, I'm filming an LG K51s, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. Now before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. I have one right here. Now it comes provided with the device somewhere in the box, you can find it in there, or you can always use a paper clip and straighten out one of the edges. So once you have that, you want to pop out the tray, which is located, I believe, on that, right here on the right upper side of the device, where the pen is holding right now. Push it in, you'll see that the tray pops out, and from here you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So place them accordingly. I'm gonna use 1 of each. There we go. And then while holding it securely so it doesn't actually fall out and there's nothing really holding the SIM card, I'm gonna slide it back into the device like so, and we should see a pin for the SIM card. Oh, there it is. So, well, the SIM card is obviously working. Now, let's see, there's also the SD card notification. So, both of them are working fine. And that is how you would insert it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.